Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it starts, did you know that if you hit the like button, it could turn blue, black, or white? Apparently there's an update for some people. Comment down below what it is for you. Also, roughly 7% of viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you enjoy what you see, consider subscribing for more.
You got two guys that are just looking at angles. So I'm like, help me please. Find another team. You sucked ass. My teammates are not very good. Spanish, you're already on thin ice. I'm close to just removing you from the friends list. Please attempt to try.
ADL's 2173. Press the button right there.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We just sat there.
I heard him and I knew it was going to happen.
Oh, Cameron, I'm so.
It's okay.
I was just sitting here though.
It's okay.
Yeah, we're just really bad. I know.
Okay, the last thing I knew is that she's supposedly supposed to be getting a divorce. Oh my God! Woo! A car was on my side of the road. On my side of the road. I have to bring the video in so David can see it. He was on my side of the road. He almost hit me.
Whoa! What are you doing?
Oh my God!
No way, bro. Okay, well, I'm gonna pull over. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Dash cam is on. Woo!
Get over, dude. You're going like 64. You're in the totally the wrong lane. Get over to the slow lane. Come on. Move your slow lane, dude. Get that beast over to the slow lane unless you're going to go like 68, 70 in this lane. Come on now. Let's go. Move it. 60 in the second to the fast lane. So it's a perfect example. So yeah. He's not in the fast lane, but he's getting passed on the right still. So that means get over to the right, dude. Go on. Move your over. over. Let's go. All right, I'm just gonna pass him on the right, but I'm gonna put him on my channel. You're in the wrong lane, and you're on your phone. What a moron.
I wrote you another. I read that book that you wrote, War to the Women, which I thought was very good.
Only the Bible tells me so.
And then you guys invited me to write an article for Free Thought Today.
Jesus Christ!
And I got a call from the producer of a show in Chicago called